Hello guys, and welcome to another quick tutorial video. And in this short tutorial video, I'm going to be showing you how you can sell the AVAX on Binance. It's quite simple to get this done. All you need to do is make sure you have the AVAX on your wallet. To confirm this, you must have an account on Binance. And if you do not have an account on Binance, by using our link, which is going to be in the description of this video, you stand a chance to claim 100 USDT worth of trading fee rebates when you register and verify your account. So guys, with a verified account, all you need to do to sell the AVAX is head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. Click on the wallet section, you're dropped at the overview, which houses all of your crypto. Scroll to the spot or funding, depending on where your AVAX is stored. We found the AVAX on our spot wallet. How do we convert this AVAX into the USDT and sell it? Click on the home section, click on the convert icon you find here. Once you've converted, all you need to do is simply click on LSK, search for USDT, click on this USDT now, click on max, click on preview conversion and click on convert. By doing this, we successfully converted our AVAX into the USDT, and you can confirm this when you head over to the wallet section at the bottom right corner of the screen. A simple reload will show that the AVAX has been converted to the USDT. Now, with the USDT on our spot wallet, click on the transfer option. We're doing this so we can sell our USDT on Binance and get the profits on our bank account. Now, head over to the funding wallet. Once there, you can take note of your USDT here. Click on the P2P option. Once there, head over to the profile icon at the bottom right corner of the screen. Once there, again, click on the payment method, as we're going to be adding a payment method. Please take note that each payment method depends on your region, as each bank is also dependent on region when you click on select the payment method. So guys, once you've selected the payment method, head over to the home section, click on sell. As you can see, the drop down is set to USDT. Otherwise, click on USDT. Enter the filter depending on how much you want to sell. So I'm going to be selling based on my local currency. So click on confirm. Once you've done this, find the merchant who has a verification badge and then simply click on the sell option. Once you've clicked on sell, enter the amount you wish to sell and click on sell USDT. Once you've done this, you're taken to the menu where you can sell your USDT. So guys, do comment down below if you have a question concerning how you can sell AVAX on Binance and you'll be given an answer. Thank you.